The Carotek Process Solutions Summit is a wonderful and unique opportunity for our customers and our manufacturers to come together all in one place and talk about trends in the industry, new products in the industry, and new developments that can help them back at their own companies.
It's really an information exchange and a training opportunity for our customers. While at the summit, you're going to have an opportunity to tour our process training unit. It's got roughly 120 different technologies on it, ranging from pumps, valves, and instruments, and really is a great opportunity for you to get hands-on experience.
This is a great opportunity to come together with the subject matter experts of the best products in the industry. These guys really know how the industry works. They know what the processes are in each of these manufacturers that we represent. So it's a very broad spectrum of class opportunities that we have in the building. So these are white paper type classes that are classroom environments. Our classrooms also offer PDH credit hours. So those of you that are in the field and need to develop those educational credits, you can do that right here in the show. We also have hands-on opportunities where we actually have products there for tear down and rebuild. And then we have some actual live demos as well where you can see the products in service and how they work in these applications.
We know it's a big ask for you to leave your facilities for a couple days and spend it here at Carotek, but we really feel strongly that you will leave with industry knowledge that you can take back to your plant to make your process run more efficiently.
Once people attend our summit, they typically go back into their own industries with new ideas that are usually associated with problems that they have in the marketplace themselves. They'll leave this summit with good ideas and good corrective actions to be able to make in their own industry. So we're getting very well prepared for the Carotek Process Solutions Summit. We're really looking forward to having it. Can't wait to see you here, so we hope you'll get your registration in soon, and we'll see you at the summit.